Stand on. Come on, get on.
Okay. Hey.
Alright, this is the parkour wool. So we have to complete the parkour to get to the thing.
Okay.
So,
oh.
Yellow.
What?
Yeah, okay, so we'll start with this parkour. We have to complete all these parkours in order to get the yellow wool.
All of them?
I think so, yeah.
Uh-oh.
I mean the pink wool, sorry. So yeah, today's stream's going to be quite a play, if you did not know. So in here, no, not continue the course selection. Where do we go from here? What do we... I think we picked the wrong one first. I think we have to go do the easy one first.